Hello guys, so today I am going to be doing a little clean with me with my extra small white medical gloves, and most of this video is going to be sped up, but this part is me putting on my gloves, and I don't believe this part is sped up. Just enjoy me covering the glove, or covering my fingers, each finger, with the glove. And then once we get to the trash part, I believe it speeds up, so don't worry. And throughout this video there are going to be a multitude of different gloves for y'all that you have not seen before, so look forward to that. I cannot seem to get this trash bag on, but I finally did it. Now, going over to the dishes, I just want you to enjoy the clinking of the dishes, the water sounds, the glove sounds, and just have the best ASMR experience of your lives. And bonus, hopefully you get a little motivation to do your own dishes. So that's what I'm doing now. I feel it's even more satisfying when it's put up, because you can enjoy all that clinking and water sounds better. Wouldn't it be nice if it was really this fast and quick to clean? These are some dishes that I took out of the dishwasher that didn't get fully clean the first time. So I'm going back and scrubbing them again before I put them back in the dishwasher. I'm a germaphobe, so each dish and each piece of silverware has to be completely spotless before I'll put it away. Changing the gloves. As you can see, even sped up, these took me a while to put on, although I did powder my hands this time. Cereal or something that stuck. And also, guys, don't hate me for having dirty dishes in the video, because I personally can't stand those videos that already have a spotless house and they pretend to clean, they wipe off a few counters and an already clean cabinet just to look like they're doing something that you know that they don't want you to see anything, which I think it's more satisfying to see something dirty and getting clean. So hopefully you like this video. And, okay, this is the first time I powdered my hands, never mind. And then I put on yet another pair. That was the easier. And can I just say that these dishwasher pods are like my favorite thing in the world. They smell so freaking good and they remind me of my childhood, so I try to use them a lot when I clean anything. I think I was trying to find the sink stopper thing or find a place for it to go. And another one. I love how it dissolves like all the powder. I feel like these cups just are so hard to get spotless for some reason. I think that one's been sitting in my dishwasher for like 100 cycles now, and I just never bothered with it. But today, I'm trying to get it clean. And now a pair of other gloves. I love the flutter sounds. When it's sped up, it actually sounds like a real moth or butterfly or whatever. On to the bathroom. Again, using one of my favorites, dishwasher pod. Kitchen, getting rid of all the clutter, wiping down the counters. Honestly, this is good motivation. Get yourself your favorite soap, in my case, dishwasher pods, different kind of gloves, and film yourself doing it. Speed it up, and then watch back in satisfaction as it all comes together. Don't judge me if this isn't how you clean a toaster, but I just went for it. Another very dirty stove. Don't judge me. It's really satisfying, and